Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with Vichel and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Hello and welcome back to my channel hashtags with Vichel. In this video we'll be creating a spaceship origami model. So without further delay, let's get started. So this is the final model of our spaceship, alien spaceship. This is how it looks. So let's keep this aside and let's start making it. For this you'll need a rectangular piece of paper. Width should be 25 centimeters and height should be 20 centimeters, approximately 20 centimeters. Okay, so first you need to fold it from the center like this. This forms another rectangle. Press it properly. Now you need to fold this like this. Let's use this side like this to make a triangle. You'll get a crease. Similarly, you do it on this side. You'll get a X, and then you rotate your paper and fold it like this. Align the X mark creases properly and then fold it. Now you open it back, you'll have this kind of a shape. All you need to do is press it so that it forms a triangle. Similarly, you need to do it on this side of the page. So first left fold to form a right angle triangle. Then right fold to form another right angle triangle. Then turn your page and from the till the center you need to fold it like this. And then you need to fold it to make a triangle. This is how it looks. Now turn your page and then fold it like this so that you have proper creases, and then this horizontal edge you need to fold it till here. Press it properly, something like this. Similarly, you need to do it on the other side. Align them properly and press them so that it retains its shape. Now turn your page and then you need to make sure these folds are proper, these flaps are proper, and then you need to fold it like this. You can take a reference, something like this, the way I'm doing, and then fold it. Similarly, you need to do it on this side. Press it properly. These have multiple layers of pages or papers, so you need to really press them properly so that you get a proper shape. Alright, now you need to slightly bend this page, and then there is this opening and there is this opening. You need to put these two flaps into those openings, something like this. You fold this, keep so that this comes on top of it, and then you put these flaps into those openings. And then slowly adjust it till the point it goes, and then you can press it at the edge like this. This is how it looks. Now you have this opening, so open it and fold it like this. Similarly on this side. Okay, there's how it looks. Now turn your page. You have these openings, so open it from the tip and then fold it like this till this edge, till this point. You can fold it like this. Similarly, you do it on this side. Open it properly and then fold it like this. Try to make it as symmetric as possible. Okay, this is how it looks. Now we need some scissor work over here, so we need to cut you have this edge right over here, so from this point you need to cut it till here so that you get these cannon like structures. Okay, so let me cut this, slowly cut it. Similarly, you do it on this side. Alright, now along the same line you cut it at a particular point, say at this point, and then you remove this portion. This is how it looks. You can take this piece as a reference point and cut it on this side. Right, so that's how it looks. Now you need to open this and make a slight bulging. So press it, keep your thumb and make it bulgy like this. Similarly on this side. And then also at the opening, top opening, like this. And this is the final alien spaceship model. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. The only thing we are not expecting this year is aliens. So keep your spaceship aside and like, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest updates. This is Vishal, thank you so much, and I hope to see you all back in my next video. Take care guys.